Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to insert or add errors inside your Excel project. In order to do that, we have to open our, obviously, Excel project. Mine is blank because this is a tutorial and I want to show you how to make it this. We're coming from the upper menu to insert, and from the insert, we're coming to shapes from illustrations area, selecting shapes, and from here we are selecting lines. We're selecting the arrow icon, line arrow, clicking this, and after that a small cross appears in the screen as our pointer. I'm gonna draw here an arrow, pressing the left mouse key and simply dragging to the place that I want. Leave it, and as you can see I have drawn an arrow but nothing, it appears. Clicking right on this shape, and from the menu appears, we're going to format shape, and from the menu appears into the screen, simply selecting I will change the color of this arrow. In order to do that, we're coming to color section, we're clicking this outline color, clicking this, and I'm going to do it red color. It appears it's going to be red, but I want to increase the thickness of this arrow. We're coming to width section, and from here I'm gonna put it for 5 points, and as you can see I have increased the thickness of the arrow, and I want to change the shape of this arrow. And for this particular example I'm gonna come to dash type, drop down the menu, and I'm gonna put it to dot mode. As you can see it appears it's gonna be dot. And what else, I'm gonna change also the beginning arrow type. I'm gonna put it to left and right section. I'm gonna also do it by, if I want it to be precise, I'm gonna do it more sharply. I'm gonna leave it as it was, initial position. Now, if I want to increase the size of this arrow, how can I make it? Simply press and hold the shift key on your keyboard, and from this section, just drag it and drop it wherever you want. I'm going to do it very long, and it is like this. If you want to rotate the arrow, simply press and hold the left mouse key and simply rotate it to the position that you want. I'm going to make it down like this, and you can do whatever you want with this example. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.